In conclusion, you've now seen a full range of tools that you can use in order to promote your Amazon book, integrating them into your already existing content. So by utilizing your author page, as well as your existing content such as video and blog posts, you can share your content easily into your social media. You can use your Amazon stores to showcase your content, or you can have the same features available to you at no monthly cost by using the Amazon Influencer Program. Of course, you can use the Amazon Associates Program to earn additional revenue on top of those that purchase your content. And within the Kindle system, you can use the KDP Select program in order to maximize the tools that Kindle has given you to promote your book. Finally, you can also turn your ebook into an audiobook on ACX and a paperback using KDP. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.